So life is getting real out here. Winter storm, day 2. I told you yesterday was in the 50s. Today we're flirting with the freezing mark. It's about 6:45 in the morning, January 24th. And I don't think it's gonna get any warmer than this. And it's supposed to be freezing rain that changes to snow later on the day. Woo! And we gotta go to work. So today's theme is go to work and try not to die trying. But yeah. Compared to this, it felt like summertime yesterday. Oh my God. That wind. Everything ain't icing up yet, so we still somewhat above freezing. But it's supposed to get down to 19 degrees in El Paso. So that means it'll probably be close to single digits here. Because we're always 10 degrees colder than the city. So you can probably hear it in my voice, it's cold. But I got my best Mr. Buddy heater going. So I'll be all right. But do got a problem with the generator. Generator is starting to act funny at the right time. You know, it's acting funny at the right time, so I think it's this carburetor. I think that carburetor, this thing needs to be clean. So I have to take that off. Sometimes it sounds all right, and sometimes it don't. That's it. Whew, that's it for now. I'll check back in with y'all later on the day and see what it looks like. Everybody stay safe. The storm is worse than what they said it's gonna be. We talking about highs. I don't think it's gonna get above freezing until Tuesday.